Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please guys do subscribe and do comment below. So guys, you remember indaba kaGogo no Gogo Skhotheni when they went live and started like swearing at each other, relieving deep secrets about each other, and one of the deepest secrets is that Gogo Maweni had murder cases which were not investigated or anything, to a point that guys Gogo Skhotheni even invited few people who were victims, people who lost their loved ones, and they spoke about it on live. And then guys, those people went on to forgiving each other. But today guys, we wake up to the most shocking news ukuthi uGogo Maweni was arrested. SAPC and will be appearing in court, Protea Magistrates Court on the 2025 on January 20, where bail will be opposed. The suspect is also linked to the following cases which are still under investigation by the officer. So guys, there's a lot of cases that are going on against Maweni. So kahle guys, with everything laphana sisitsho ukuthi uGogo Skhotheni has forgiven Maweni. Kanti girl, no man. She's on the upper, you understand, like she's playing her cards well. Girl win a chess, because she even said she decided to exolele Maweni after she posted that coffin thing and everyone was like, wow, she said then forgive Maweni only ukuthi yena she knows what she's doing. At this point, bonani ukuthi uGogo Maweni ukuphi guys. And I'm sure because uGogo Skhotheni posted something on her Instagram, ebonisa ama-glass wine and celebration, meaning that it's victory indeed. But anyway guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this, and please guys do subscribe if you haven't done so.